Hi, my name is Willem Sundblad, co-founder and CEO of Oden Technologies. Rockwell and Oden have partnered together to deliver advanced analytics solutions that enable manufacturers to optimize their production processes. Together, we connect across various production systems such as ERP, MES, quality, and machine data to deliver accessible, trustworthy, and actionable process and production insights in real time to the front lines. Recently, we released a new capability called Process AI. It delivers real-time predicted quality results for operators and engineers alongside machine learning generated process settings and predicted dollar savings that they will achieve if they use those settings. It's a game changer for people trying to optimize their processes right now. We've partnered across a variety of industries, including building materials, plastics, paper and pulp, and other batch continuous processes. Typically, we can deliver results within 90 days of launch. So for more information, please visit us on the partner locator.